From the 15th floor, João could see the vibrant green of Parque do Povo spread out below. This privileged view was the reason he chose apartment P486. The expansive windows invited the outdoors inside, filling the space with light and a sense of calm. As he entered the apartment for the first time, he noticed how the light played across the patterned stone floors, creating subtle shadows and textures. The design, conceived by the Armentano team, was refined without being overbearing. The palette of grays, from the exposed concrete to the wooden veneers, created a sense of cohesion throughout the apartment. João admired how the choice of materials blended seamlessly while maintaining a certain understated elegance. The shades of gray, which might have felt somber elsewhere, here seemed to reflect the rhythm of the city outside, connecting the interior to São Paulo's urban pulse. João made his way into the living area, where clusters of furniture formed intimate seating arrangements within the larger space. He was drawn to the sleek lines of the Metropolitan armchairs by Jeffrey Burnett, their dark upholstery a striking contrast to the lighter stone flooring. Nearby, the classic Pagrico chairs by Tobias Scarpa added a touch of timelessness, their design a nod to the modernist roots of São Paulo's architecture. Above, the Coordinates luminaire by Michael Anastasiades cast a soft, ambient light that illuminated the entire room without overpowering it. Beyond the furniture, João was captivated by the art adorning the walls. He walked over to a vibrant piece by Adriana Varejo, titled Azulejo Português. The intricate patterns and bold colors stood out against the muted backdrop, creating a visual focal point. As he continued to explore, he came across Os Superfícies by Vic Muniz, a work that played with texture and depth. These carefully curated artworks added depth to the space, each telling its own story while contributing to the overall atmosphere. João sat down in one of the armchairs and took in the view once more. The combination of natural light, thoughtfully designed furniture, and artful elements created a sense of serenity that was rare in the bustling city. The apartment felt like a sanctuary, a place where he could escape the noise and find comfort in the simplicity of well-chosen details. As the sun began to set, casting a warm glow across the room, João knew he had found his new home. It was a space that celebrated both the energy of São Paulo and the tranquility of a thoughtfully designed interior. The subtlety and elegance of apartment P486 made it more than just an apartment. It was a place where João could live and thrive, a haven above the treetops.